Good evening. I'm ur15cs335. The objective of my program is to create a linked list where I can insert an element at the beginning, at an end, and to display, search, delete the elements in the linked list. So this is my program. I've created a structure called node that I have a variable in data and I have a pointer link and two more pointers head and monk. I have created a switch case where I am giving the user to actually I am giving many options to the user such as insert in the beginning, append, insert, deletion, display. So and here I have created a switch case where I have called each and every function for specific cases. So when a user wants to insert an element at the beginning, this function is called, and here initially a new node is created and it asks the user to enter the data and it is read and the temp arrow link is given to head, that is the link of temp is given to head and head is equal to temp, the position of head is given to temp. And here append is to insert the element at the last position. So whenever we want to insert data, first we have to create a node. A node consists of a data and a link, that is an address of the next data. So here I am creating a date node and I am asking the user to enter the data to be inserted, and I'm giving the link of temp to null, so that because at the last position you don't have any other element to proceed, so the temp arrow link is given to null, and if my head is equal to null, my head is given to temp, that is if there is no elements in my linked list, it is empty, in that case my head will be equal to null. So in that case, whenever if I'm inserting an element in the empty linked list, the temp is made as the head, or else um, monk, the monk pointer is given to head, and while monk arrow link is not equal to null, monk proceeds to next position and the link of monk is given to temp. Here I am inserting a data at some particular position, so for that this function is used. So I am getting a data in key, and here as usual I am creating a new node and I have set a flag value of 0. If my head is equal to, that is my list is empty, head is equal to null, it displays that my list is empty, or else my monk pointer is given to head, and while monk is not equal to null, monk arrow data is equal to, and if monk arrow data is equal to key, it asks the user to enter the data to be inserted, and the temp arrow link is given to the monk arrow link, and the monk arrow link is equal to temp. So now my flag position changes to 1, or else if if my monk arrow data is not equal to key, then it just proceeds as monk is equal to it, the monk goes to next position, and if flag is equal to 0, then the key is not found. This function is to insert an element at a particular position, that is it asks the user to give the value before or after which the value to be inserted. So if I want to insert an element 3 and I want to insert it before 2 or 1, I have to give the value, and my mock pointer goes till that value, and that temporary value is given to mock, and so the mock arrow link is given to the new value to be inserted. And this is delete function, void delete. So here also I am getting an input. um, Here also I create a new node and I give the mock pointer to the head. If head is equal to null, it displays that my list is empty. Or else the head arrow data is equal, if head arrow data is equal to value, then temp is equal to head and head is equal to head arrow link. And that temp is deleted. That is my, if I want to delete a value at the beginning, so I cannot delete the head pointer directly because the head only has the starting value of the next. So if my starting point is gone, then I cannot access my linked list. So first I give the head position to another pointer called monk, and so I just ask the user to enter the value to be deleted. And also so my head is, and my head is given to the next link, and if the value to be deleted is found, my temp comes there, and then the temporary pointer is deleted. While my monk arrow link is not equal to null, if monk arrow link arrow data is equal to value, the monk arrow link is given to my temp, and monk arrow link is equal to temp arrow link, so that temp is deleted. So if that value is not found, then the monkey, that pointer is moved to the next position. This is display function. It just displays the elements that is present in the linked list. So first initially my monk pointer is given to head because it only traverses to each an element and it makes the elements to get displayed. So when my monk pointer moves everywhere, when that is not equal to null, then it displays monk arrow data, the particular value, and it jumps to the next position. Or else if there is no such element, if there is no elements in the list, it just displays null. And my next function is searching. Here I have three variables: value, position, and the flag is 0. As usual, my monk pointer is given to head, and it it asks the user to enter the value to search. And while my mock is not is equal to null, and if my mock arrow data is equal to value, that is the value is found, your value is found at the position, it gives the position of your value and the flag is incremented. And suppose if the value is not found, then the mock pointer just jumps to the next position, and the position is getting incremented every time whenever it jumps. So whenever the given key is found, it displays the value. Suppose if my flag is 0, that is its value is not changing, then value is not in the list. That is, I have set the flag value to 0, um, once the key is found, it changes to 1. But if it doesn't changes to 1, then my key is not found and it is not in the list. So it displays that the value is not in the list. Here I have my main function. Here I have two variables, choice and value, and I've put the entire menu list in the do while loop. So here I've given options: insert in the beginning, append, insert, deletion, display, searching, exit, and I've asked the user to enter the choice. And here I have the switch case. When my first case is found, then it calls the function insert at beginning, and second case for append, third for the uh, to insert the data at a particular position, and fourth to delete, fifth to display, and sixth for searching, and seventh is to exit. And here is my output. So I'll give the first option, and I want to insert 1, and I again want to insert an element 2. So now I want to append, that is insert at the end. So I give second option. I want to insert 4. So now I want to insert in a particular position. So enter the previous value of value to be inserted. I want the value to be inserted before 4. The data to be inserted is 3. So now I want to display. So displays 2, 1, 4, 3 and null. Now I want to delete. To delete 1. And so now I want to display it again. So my value 1 is deleted, and now I want to search a value. So I give the option 6. I want to search 2. So your value is found at the position 1. So my data 2 is in the first position. And now I'm exiting the program. Thank you.